Kena, do you have legs?
Yes.
What color is S1?
This.
White.
White.
Swan is white. What color is strawberry?
Red.
Are shrimp small?
And simple.
Is it small or big? Small? Are shrimp small?
Yes.
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 Do you like chicken nugget?
Yeah.
Is an onion vegetable?
Yes.
What color do you like? What flavor do you like in a cake?
This cake.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Strawberry?
Yes.
What color is tomato?
Red.
Red. What sounds does a lion make?
Red.
Rar. Is papaya sweet?
Yeah.
Can you play on a swing?
Yes.
Can you draw with a pencil?
Yes.
Is a cruise ship a big boat?
Yes.
Is a pillow soft?
Yes.
Can you wear a swimsuit to school?
Yeah.
Can you wear a swimsuit to school?
No.
No. What does an excavator do?
Do
Dig. Can you run?
Yes.
Is your hair long?
Yes. No.
How many eyes do you have?
Two.
Do you like sandals or shoes?
Shoes.
Shoes. Okay. Please read this, Kenna.